see all the empty seed heads here. Quite a bit still left for wildlife as well as to restore itself. But this is an effort for us to collect this from its local jurisdictions. Arlington County was nice enough to be invited by the Anacostia Watershed Folks to be able to collect this rice for our restoration plantings. So, it's done. Some person goes by, they repacked this a couple of weeks ago, they cut it, and then we end up going and taking and picking up right after. So this then is cleaned and then placed into different areas so that they can be planted in restoration areas. So there's folks here from, of course, Arlington, Anacostia, PG, some individual city of Alexandria. But you can see the stuff is pre-bagged, clipped, and then someone right behind comes and picks up. So, all in an effort to put some of the seed while still leaving plenty in order for there to be preserve the wetlands as well as provide wildlife. A short look at wild rice collecting for restoration purposes here at the Jug Bay Natural Area, Pekin County. You can see there's still plenty for us to go through. I can take it now. I got my video.
Oh yeah.
So we're cleaning the wild rice now. The bags are back. They get clipped. As you can see, bags get down here. They flip the bag inside out, dump it inside to save whatever seed there is. And then they dump it in there, and you can see collected quite a bit of wild rice ready for restoration planting in wetlands. A wonderful restoration plant, an annual.
A lot of the time, if it's right along
wild
the river,
rice.
It'll just be the plants. If we try to plant, they'll just be completely swept away.
Well, I think we'll have to grow it out then.
So the students get all this experience. They work on the rice thing,
the wild rice is soaked.
Fix the fences, plant plants.
Put it into containers. Cold stratification at 35 degrees till approximately April 7th or so when it starts to germinate. Sometimes even in the dark. Wild rice getting soaked down.